How to recover HSBC online banking username. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can recover HSBC online banking username if you have forgotten. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, navigate to the official website. So once you're here, tap on login button at the top right corner. Once you're on the login page, here, if you navigate just below the continue button, there is a link as forgotten your username. You have to tap on it. Then you will be prompted to provide certain details to confirm your identity, which will include your social security number, your HSBC debit or credit card number, also the corresponding PIN associated with the card. So make sure to verify your identity by providing all of the necessary details. After entering the required information, follow the prompts or on-screen instructions to retrieve your username. So in this way, you can recover your username on HSBC online banking account. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.